Here I have Xiaomi 12, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here. Don't tap here. To take a burst shot you just have to swipe shutter button left or right, and after that it will take a burst shot. So as you can see right now I took like 23 shots. Here you can view these shots, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.